This week, Golfalot was at Royal Troon for the 152nd Open Championship, and we were lucky enough to get an invite onto the Mizuno Tour truck to take a look around. As you'd expect during a major week, there was plenty of activity going on, and the whole truck is just full of golf gear. Whilst we were there, PGA Tour player Adam Schenk stopped by to make sure all of his irons were the right loft for the test at Troon this week. We managed to sneak a peek into the graveyard, featuring iconic Mizuno clubs from previous years, as well as tour-only prototypes. Us amateur golfers might have to wait a few weeks for a new club once we've been fitted, but if you're a tour pro, it can be ready for use in just a few minutes. It was great to spend some time seeing this experience firsthand, and if you see any golfers using Mizuno gear this week,